Komisi Menta jong ke program CM Connect. Hagas ni palai jong ke tayo Myntri Rangbah ke jala ukuan rat ke sangma ulalai yuk kejat hagas nong Pahamjula ke badan Jirang Constituency banyak kendu ikipat bak nong syong bat ban sungutu ya kejing ke bakimat.
Kipat ba nong syong ka Pahamjula kawin gi syong ka badang saadian ba kaliang ki kampen roy hak arpu artre ke jemang arhajar arpusan kilapen pau ke jingkemen ka bakrau ya ke jingsyam kya jong Myntri Rangbah ke jela bat UMLA ke Jirang Constituency ban hiar syok ke syong ban penurlong ya ke jingdon kami ke boarding elektrik agane ke syong hadin ke jingsyong dom ka balapalat khat prasna mi ai la ban kedau ba ke syong Pahamjula ka badan kumbah nyu ki longjing kadai kesnong kabala syong dom lapalat kat prasnam ye ketana do kesnam arajar nyo hadin kejing betai jong transformer ban nalor kejing syong dom kene kesnong kadang saadien ru naduk ki yeng skol ki bapaka ka surok bat kiwe ki kampen ron hakene kejing le hiar jong Myntri Rangbah ukon rat kongkal sangma kene kesnong belasim kyahi do MLA ke Jirang Constituency uba sostenis sotun lasenran lang do Deputy Commissioner ke Distrik Liboy u Abilash Baranwal u Project Director ke DRDA u Raja Brahma bat kiwe ki officer. Habakran ke negesngi u asas tenis sotun kumunong mikmat ke Jirang Constituency ulepen pau ke jing sngongu ke bakrau lo ke jing sengap sorkar jela. Ban le ye na ke benta ke negesnong kebelasong ha ke jingdom lapalat kat prasna. U asas tenis sotun ulai klik kerpang ru ke sorkar jela ke belapai kemat kerpang sya ke Jirang Constituency. Kepada ke constituency ke besadian bah kini kisnem kiblalai. Nreh kini kinyau snem kini ke sorkar kelala banwanra yaki kampen roy beper sya kini ke constituency. Nagaliang Myntri Rangbah ukon rat kongkal sangma ulepen pau ke jingkemen banyak penurlong ya kini ke jing angnuat jinong syong ka Pahamjula kibala syong dom kumbakat prasnem. Bat mat ke jing na kedau bam yo ya ke boarding naduk bela betai transformer. Ulepen pauru ba usngohun shikadai banyo ekalat ban mani kenduk markmat bagi nong syong ka Pahamjula ban sengap kijing jongki bat igi shnong ki mamarjan. Myntri Rangbah ulepen pau bagi kijing let jong u sya ki shnong ki thau. Kadai shibenta jong ka CM Connect Impact kabadi ka thong ban penyajan ni upat ba bat ke sorkar jela. Hagani kejo kasngi Myntri Rangbah lembat UMLA ke Jirang Constituency kelalit ban Jurip ru ya ke Nongspung Garo Government LP School ha ke Shnong Nongspung ban Jurip ke school kepeladan pedang ke jing ke bakrau namar ke jing bambiang jong ke yang school bat bagi kena school kilah ban sya'ru bat uslap namar ke jing jot jong kitin sob yang hadin ke jing ekran bagi nong peniat school konrat kongkal sangma ulu Kular ban penbiang ke jing lengkam ha ke school ban pensup ke kena school buat kenang bakane kajaka ai jing hikai kan la ban ai ya ke jing hikai ke bapaka na ke benta ke pulih putih jongki kena hakane kathan
badeng sotun alma simang ni hetman kuanga giseka tong gemak chin metel naska dalu ya na simang ni ketemu ru'uta bersirang na sumedang na Nesimang current grid, bijuli grid, nesimang canggih tanah dangingat. Not just because of the fact that no other chief minister has been here, not because of the fact that most of the officers are not able to reach here, but just because of the fact that I am getting this moment to connect, to meet, and to be with the people of our state in such an interior location and to share their concerns, to share this moment of joy with them, where they have waited for 18 years to receive this transformer. The transformer busted or got burnt in 2007, and for whatever reason, communication gap, they were not able to get the replacement done. Until the local MLA contacted me, until our friends contacted me, until the headman contacted me. And it's because of the efforts of these people, especially our local MLA, that today your transformer has been changed and you're finally getting the power supply out here. It's a small but a very, very meaningful and a very happy moment for me. And that is why this moment makes it truly, truly special to be here with the people of this particular village, Pahamjula village in Jirang constituency.